So this is spring thistle. This is what it looks like before it blooms into big, beautiful, tall heads of purple flowers, and then goes to seed that spreads all over the place and will quickly take over a pasture. So I am pulling this out today. Look at all those great worms. Lots of worms. Good healthy soil. I've got tons of worms in here. Look at that. They're great. So I've been cleaning up this little woodland patch here. We've got our seasonal creeks here. This one is dammed up from the debris. So I'm clearing this out so that the water can flow more freely through here. This is wedged in the tree and I cannot get it out, so that's a project for another day. Okay, well, seems like I got this flowing. Our stumps, they're attached to the ground, but the water is now flowing, which is great. It'll help drain this whole thing. Yay! We're going to leave a lot of this thicket inside for animal habitat. And I got the Kubota filled up. I'm gonna go feed the goats blackberries and get to my 1:30 appointment. Here's this dandelion. Got more blackberry bushes and dandelion. Oh yeah. That's really good, huh? That's really good. Yeah. Huh? That's so good. Okay, Paul got his bicycle, so now we can go back and forth on the property without having to walk miles each day. This is tansy, which is toxic to cattle and will make them abort their calves. So we need to pull that from the pastures, which I've done